Good day everyone. We are Group 6 and today we will be presenting the role of personalization in call flow for enhanced customer engagement. Our role is to analyze, apply, and master call flow steps to improve call center efficiency. I'm Daniela M. Bonifacio and I'm joined by my group mates Christian Crisostomo, Neil Patrick Ladrillano, and Luis Alejandro Masangkay. Together, we will cover the key aspects of using personalization to enhance customer interactions. So, for our learning objectives, the first objective is understand how personalization improves call flow efficiency. Second is learn how to apply personalization techniques in customer interactions. Third is the master best practices to increase customer satisfaction and loyalty. For our table of contents, these are the part introduction, standard call flow steps, the role of personalization in call flow, techniques to apply personalization in call flow, mastering personalized call flow for efficiency, and the conclusion. Introduction. What is call flow? Call flow refers to the structured sequence of steps followed by a call center agent during a customer interaction. It ensures that the call is handled efficiently and professionally, leading to the higher customer satisfaction. In this presentation, we will explore how adding personalization to these steps can enhance customer engagement. Standard call flow steps. A typical call flow consists of the following steps. First is the greetings. Greetings establishing a professional and welcoming tone. For example, good afternoon, Ms. Bonifacio. Thank you for calling ABC Telecom. How can I assist you today? Next is the verification. Verification is confirming the customer's identity for security. For example, may I verify your account by asking for your registered mobile number? Next is the understanding the customer concern. It's actively listening to identify the customer's need. For example, I understand that your customer internet speed has been slow. May I ask when the issue started? Next is the resolution or assistance. It's providing the required support or solution. For example, I've refreshed your internet connection. Please try restarting your router and let me know if the speeds improves. Next is the cross-selling or upselling. It is optional. Suggesting additional products or services when appropriate. Example, since you often work from home, may I recommend upgrading to our faster internet plan? Next is the confirmation and summary. Recapping the solution provided. For example, to summarize, we've refreshed your connection and the issue should be resolved after restarting your router. Lastly, the closing. The closing is the ending call in a positive and professional manner. For example, thank you for choosing ABC Telecom. Ms. Bonifacio, have a great day.
The role of personalization in call centers. Personalization in call flow plays a crucial role in enhancing customer experience and increasing satisfaction and improving business outcomes by tailoring interactions to individual customers' needs. Business can create a more engaging and efficient support system. These are the key stage of call flow with personalization. The first one is greetings. A personalized greeting using the customer's names and past interactions sets a positive tone. And acknowledging a previous interaction can make customers feel valued. The second one is understanding needs. Active listening and data-driven insight help identify the customers and specific issue or request. And using CRM tools to reference past conversations enhance the experience. The third one is a resolution or assistance. By this one, providing a tailored resolution based on customer history and ensure efficiency. Personalized response, reduce frustration, and improve resolution time. The fourth one is cross-selling, upselling, if applicable. Understanding the customer preferences allows for relevant product or service communication. Well-timed and personalized offer increase the chances of a positive response. And the last one is the closing, ending with a friendly, personalized message and reinforce a strong relationship, confirming that the customer's needs were met ensures satisfactions.
Techniques to apply personalization in call flow. Number 1. Using customer relationship management systems. Leveraging customer relationship management tools to access and utilize customer data effectively. Second, AI and automation. Implementing and predictive personalization to enhance customer interactions. And lastly, active listening, employing techniques to understand customer emotions and needs better. The visual reinforces collaboration in a customer service setting, emphasizing the importance of personalization for improved customer experiences.
Mastering personalized call flow for efficiency. Personal call flow improves customer engagement by making interactions more relevant and effective. And here's how to achieve it. First one is training and role-playing. Agents practice real-life scenarios to improve communication, build confidence, and enhance customer interaction. Next one is real-time monitoring and AI feedback. AI tools help track calls, provide instant feedback, and ensure quality service. Another one is key performance metrics. Under these are some important parts just to check the performance metrics. First one is CSAT or Customer Satisfaction Score, which measures customers' happiness. Next one is Net Promoter Score, which gauges customer loyalty. Another is First Call Resolution, that tracks issues resolution on the first call. And lastly, Continuous Improvement. Customer feedback helps refine call strategies and improve scripts and enhance services. In conclusion, incorporating personalization into call flow enhances customer engagement by making interactions more relevant and efficient. By leveraging techniques like data-driven insights, tailored scripts, and active listening, business can create a seamless and customer-centric experience. Mastering personalized call flow not only improves efficiency, but also builds stronger relationships and lead to a higher satisfaction and loyalty. Thank you.